Every journey through the skies carries more than just passengers. It carries untold tricks that seasoned travelers quietly use to make every flight smoother, cheaper, and far more comfortable. What appears to be a simple booking and boarding process actually hides powerful strategies that can upgrade the entire experience. From avoiding unnecessary stress to unlocking better seats and deals, these insights can completely change the way flying feels. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable travel secrets like these. Secret number 10. The hidden best time to book flights. Flight ticket pricing follows a highly advanced and constantly shifting system designed to maximize airline profits while responding to traveler behavior. Every time a route is searched, the system gathers data, adjusting prices based on demand, location, and even how frequently that specific flight is viewed. Booking too early may seem safe, but it often means paying more before price drops occur. On the other hand, waiting until the last minute can be risky, as prices usually spike when seats become limited. The ideal booking window for most flights falls between 1 to 3 months before departure, while international flights may require slightly earlier planning. Midweek days, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, tend to offer better deals because fewer travelers are actively booking. Late-night searches can sometimes reveal lower fares due to reduced competition in the system. Using incognito mode or clearing browser cookies helps avoid artificial price increases triggered by repeated searches. Flexibility with travel dates is one of the most powerful tools, as shifting departure or return by even a single day can significantly reduce costs. Travelers who monitor fares over time instead of rushing to book often secure the best possible deal. Secret number 9. Why seat selection matters more than expected. Seat selection plays a far more important role than many travelers realize, directly influencing comfort, convenience, and even the quality of rest during a flight. Not all seats are created equal, and choosing the right one can make the difference between a stressful journey and a relaxed experience. Seats located near the wings provide greater stability, reducing the impact of turbulence and creating a smoother ride overall. Window seats offer control over natural light and provide a surface to lean against, making them ideal for sleeping or relaxing without interruptions. Aisle seats, while slightly more exposed to movement, allow easy access to walk, stretch, or visit the restroom without disturbing other passengers. Exit row seats are highly valued for their extra legroom, offering a more spacious environment, though they may come with restrictions such as limited storage or responsibilities during emergencies. Seats toward the back of the aircraft sometimes remain less crowded, increasing the possibility of having an empty seat nearby, which can be a major advantage on long flights. Additionally, avoiding seats near restrooms or galleys can help reduce noise and foot traffic. Careful seat selection transforms the overall flying experience, turning even a long journey into something significantly more comfortable and manageable. Secret number 8. The secret behind early check-in advantage. Checking in early is not just a routine step. It is a powerful strategy that can influence multiple aspects of the flight experience. Most airlines open online check-in 24 to 48 hours before departure, and those who act quickly gain access to better seat options before they are taken. Early check-in also increases the chances of receiving upgrades or being moved to a more favorable seat if the flight is not fully booked. In some cases, airlines oversell flights, and passengers who check in late are more likely to be bumped or reassigned. By checking in as early as possible, travelers secure their position on the flight and reduce the risk of last-minute complications. It also speeds up the airport process, allowing for smoother baggage drop and less time spent in long queues. Early check-in provides a sense of control and preparedness, helping travelers avoid unnecessary stress and giving them a better overall start to their journey. Secret number 7. How to avoid extra baggage fees. Baggage fees have become a significant source of revenue for airlines, and many travelers end up paying more than expected due to simple oversights. Understanding baggage rules in advance can help avoid these unnecessary costs. Each airline has specific weight and size limits, and exceeding them even slightly can result in expensive charges at the airport. Using a portable luggage scale before leaving home ensures that bags stay within the allowed limit. Wearing heavier clothing items, such as jackets or shoes during travel, can reduce luggage weight without sacrificing comfort. Carry-on allowances can also be used strategically by packing essential or heavier items in a cabin bag instead of checked luggage. Some airlines allow an additional personal item, which can be used to carry extra belongings discreetly. Prepaying for baggage online is usually cheaper than paying at the airport, making it a smarter financial decision. Careful packing and planning can completely eliminate unnecessary baggage fees, making travel more efficient and cost-effective. Secret number 6. Why boarding time strategy is important. Boarding a flight may seem like a simple process, but the timing of when to board can significantly impact the overall experience. Many travelers rush to board as soon as their group is called, leading to crowded aisles and unnecessary stress. However, boarding later can sometimes be more beneficial, especially for those with assigned seats and no need for overhead bin space. Waiting allows the initial rush to pass, creating a calmer and more organized boarding experience. On the other hand, boarding early can be advantageous for securing overhead storage space, particularly on full flights where space becomes limited quickly. Understanding the boarding process and choosing the right moment based on personal needs can improve comfort and reduce hassle. For travelers carrying important cabin baggage, early boarding ensures safe placement, while those seeking a relaxed experience may prefer to board later. This simple strategy can make the start of the journey far more smooth and controlled. Secret number 5. The truth about flight upgrades. Getting upgraded to a better seat is not always about luck. There are subtle strategies that can significantly increase the chances. Airlines often prioritize passengers who are polite, well-dressed, and arrive early. Checking in early and maintaining a calm, respectful attitude with airline staff can create a positive impression. Frequent flyer status also plays a major role, as loyal customers are more likely to receive complimentary upgrades when available. Flights that are overbooked in economy class sometimes require airlines to move passengers to higher classes, and those who appear flexible and cooperative are often selected. Traveling during off-peak times increases the possibility of empty premium seats, making upgrades more likely. Even small actions, such as choosing less crowded flights or politely asking at the check-in counter, can improve the chances. Understanding how the upgrade system works can turn a standard flight into a far more comfortable and premium experience. Secret number 4. The secret to staying comfortable on long flights. Long flights can be physically exhausting, but a few smart techniques can dramatically improve comfort throughout the journey. Choosing the right clothing is essential, as loose and breathable outfits help maintain circulation and prevent discomfort. Staying hydrated is equally important, as cabin air is extremely dry and can quickly lead to fatigue. Bringing a neck pillow and noise-canceling headphones can create a more relaxing environment, making it easier to rest even in a crowded cabin. Moving around occasionally helps prevent stiffness and improves blood flow, especially during long-haul flights. Adjusting sleep according to the destination time zone can also reduce jet lag and make arrival more refreshing. Avoiding heavy meals and limiting caffeine intake during the flight helps maintain energy balance. Small preparations like these can transform a long and tiring journey into a far more manageable and even enjoyable experience. Secret number 3. Why airport timing can save you from stress. Arriving at the airport at the right time is a crucial factor that many travelers underestimate. Arriving too late creates unnecessary pressure, while arriving too early can lead to long waiting times and fatigue. The ideal timing depends on the type of flight, with domestic flights generally requiring less buffer time compared to international ones. Peak travel hours, holidays, and busy seasons often result in longer security lines and check-in delays. Planning arrival time based on these factors ensures a smoother experience. Online check-in and mobile boarding passes can save valuable time at the airport, reducing the need to stand in long queues. Being aware of airport layout and procedures also helps avoid confusion and last-minute rushing. Proper timing not only reduces stress, but also allows travelers to move through the airport calmly and confidently, setting the tone for a smooth journey ahead. Secret number 2. The hidden risks of cheap flights. Cheap flight tickets can be tempting, but they often come with hidden drawbacks that are not immediately obvious. Budget fares may include strict baggage limits, additional fees for seat selection, and limited flexibility for changes or cancellations. Some low-cost airlines operate from smaller or distant airports, which can increase travel time and transportation costs. Tight layovers in cheaper itineraries can also increase the risk of missing connecting flights, especially if delays occur. In-flight services such as meals, entertainment, and comfort may be minimal or completely absent. While saving money is important, understanding these hidden trade-offs helps make better decisions. Comparing the total cost, including extra fees and convenience factors, provides a clearer picture of whether a cheap ticket is truly worth it. Smart travelers always look beyond the initial price to ensure a balanced and stress-free experience. Secret number 1. The ultimate secret. Frequent flyers use. Frequent flyers rely on one powerful principle that completely changes the way they travel: planning with flexibility and awareness. Instead of focusing on a single fixed plan, experienced travelers keep multiple options open, including alternative dates, routes, and even airports. This flexibility allows them to take advantage of better prices, less crowded flights, and more comfortable travel conditions. They also stay informed about airline policies, loyalty programs, and seasonal trends, using this knowledge to make smarter decisions. Monitoring flights over time instead of booking instantly helps identify patterns and secure better deals. Being adaptable during unexpected situations, such as delays or changes, allows them to handle travel challenges calmly and efficiently. This mindset is what separates average travelers from experienced ones, turning every journey into a smoother, smarter, and more rewarding experience. Flying does not have to be stressful or expensive when the right knowledge is applied at the right time. These flight secrets can completely transform the way travel feels, making every journey more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. If these tips added value, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful insights that make traveling smarter and easier.